Want to know how to create this gorgeous Instagram-worthy light-up flower wall? Keep watching. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave us a comment. For this DIY you will need an LED curtain light. You could use firefly wire or cable, a glue gun and glue sticks, and a selection of artificial flowers. Firstly, you're going to need to prepare all your flowers. We have gone for a variation of different artificial flowers and foliage, but you could simply choose any style of flower and colour combination at your heart's desire. Try and keep the base of the flower heads attached when preparing them. This will make it so much easier for you to glue the flower to the curtain light from the base. Using the glue gun, carefully attach the flowers and foliage to the curtain strings. Be careful not to cover the LEDs with the glue or flowers. This will dim the appearance of the light, and then overall it will make the appearance look really uneven. Once you're happy with the placement of the flowers, you're done. Hang your masterpiece for all to see. If you've recreated this DIY, then don't forget to send us a picture over on our social media. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and leave a comment and hit that subscribe button to never miss a video.